Alrighty, Bass Nation, here with Brute Force Fishing and Temptation Tackle, making some baits for the Oklahoma bait and tackle store bait and tackle show at Grove, Oklahoma. Paul's going to be taking Brute Force Fishing to the tackle show for the third straight year. We've poured up, I don't know, quite a few baits today. Let me show you what Paul's. He's topping off the molds. We've got all kinds of molds being shot. Basically, all these different molds are being shot today. And in the last, I don't know, 30 minutes, we've blasted through this orange and red, which happens to be right here. Made a ton of baits in 30 minutes probably. We had 4 of us working on it, so we were able to fly through it. One person hanging, one person demolding, one person shooting. And then earlier today we shot a bunch of pb&j, and then we had to test a new chartreuse we got. Look how bright this chartreuse is. It's amazing. So got some pretty cool baits going to the Grove tackle store or tackle show. Throw in some Ned rigs that we made earlier, some purple and chartreuse, and then this batch here. All right, Kansas Bass Nation, so short video. If you guys are going to be down in the Oklahoma area next, when's the show, Paul?
18th through the 22nd.
18th through the 22nd. Grove, Oklahoma has a 3-day show. Make sure you guys stop by the Brute Force Fishing booth and say hi to Paul. He'll be down there working, selling the baits that we've made this last couple weeks. So thanks for tuning in. Please like and subscribe. Sorry about the short video. Do not forget to hit that notification bell. It's right there.